How's it going, everybody? This is TheSketchMonkey here. Today I'm wearing my E30 Doodle t-shirt. You can go and grab yours down in the description. It's super comfy and we ship worldwide. As you know by now, we do some crazy stuff here on the channel. We turned the P1 into a front-engine car. I've turned the Ford F-150 into a sedan. But in this video, we're gonna do something more reasonable. This is something that could actually happen and something that I really wish will happen if we can make a petition to Mr. Elon Musk to really create this thing. And what I'm talking about is, of course, turning the Model 3 into a wagon. So here's the thing, I think this could actually work because Tesla drivers, they seem like practical people. They like tech and they prefer functionality over wasted space, and so they simply must love wagons. And I bet you, if you go and ask any Tesla driver if they love wagons, they're gonna say absolutely. So that's the reason why I wanted to create this Tesla Model 3 wagon here in Photoshop and see what it could look like. I want to try and make this a design that could potentially be a Tesla Model 3 wagon. So I want to have all the cut lines right, I want to have the proportions correct and make it seem like it actually could be a press photo from Tesla. So I'm going to do my best to up the quality in this redesign and make it look exactly like I would want the Tesla Model 3 wagon to look like. And if they ever decided to make one of these, you can bet 100% that I'll be the first to put a deposit down on one of these beasts. Some of the changes that I was thinking or considering doing here was changing the wheels, because let's talk about Tesla wheels for a second. The Model 3 comes with the stock 18-inch aero wheels right now, and they changed the design of the hub that sits all over the alloy wheel in recent years. It looks pretty cool. It looks alright for an EV wheel. To be as functional and to get you the most range as possible, that's why they look like they do. But if you remove that underneath, you do have a pretty decent looking black aluminum wheel. The best looking Tesla wheels though, in my opinion, are the 21, I think they're 21 or even 22-inch turbine wheels that you have on the Model X. Unfortunately, you can't get 22 wheels from Tesla on the Model 3. I think that would be a little bit too big anyway. 20 is the size I would go, and I would probably have some sort of Tesla Model S turbine styled wheels for that design if I were to put it on a Model 3. But in this video, I want to make this into a, let's say, a Performance Plus version. So we need to have really high performance wheels and tires and brakes. So that's what I want to put on this car, maybe even lower it a little bit, add some carbon fiber bits and pieces, and have a cool looking rear diffuser along with a carbon fiber top spoiler to send the design off beautifully if you look at it from a side view. I do like the stock performance wheels, but I think they changed the design from a couple of years ago to what you get on the Performance today. I do prefer the older Performance wheels and not the new Turbine 3 Performance wheels. I think they look a little bit too, they look almost like plastic, like they're about to break. So I do prefer the silver ones, which are close in design to the optional 19-inch wheel that you can add to any Tesla Model 3 when you order it online. It looks pretty good, but for this, as I said, I want it to be a Tesla Performance Plus, so we need to add some really high performance wheels, tires, and brakes. And talking about the rear of this car, the rear Model 3 wagon that we're designing here, I want to keep the ducktail intact, almost intact. So I want to have a middle section right above the taillights that still have some sort of a ducktail, so you can see that this car is stemming from the Model 3 sedan, and that we just added on top, we added some functionality on top. So instead of having it sloping like this as a coupe almost, even though it is a sedan, we now add a wagon style to the end of this car, but still have the ducktail that I love about the Model 3. I don't want to erase it. I don't want to have a flat E46 wagon design in the rear. I want to have it be almost like a double ducktail. So you have one in the middle and then one at the top part of the rear end. So we're coming to an end of this redesign here, and I have a lot of fun doing this, and I really hope Elon Musk and the team at Tesla decides to make something like this. If you watch this video, please share it anywhere you can and tag all the Tesla outlets you can think of to make them see this design, and maybe they can, maybe that will get some wheels spinning in their head, and maybe think that they start to think that this is actually a really good idea. Maybe we should start focusing on building a wagon, a Tesla wagon. It could probably be built or based on the Model S as well, but the Model S is so old now that I think Model 3 or maybe even a Model Y sedan shape would be more feasible right now, since the Model S is so outdated. I'm sure it's gonna upgrade that model pretty soon. The best update that I think happened with Teslas throughout the range, all of them this year for 2021 model, was that they took away the chrome on the trim pieces. So the door handles and the trim around the window is no longer chrome, it's now black, and I think it looks so much better, and it suits Tesla overall a lot better. It doesn't look like it's for old people now, it looks like it could actually be for some younger people as well. Chrome just has that effect. Like as soon as I see chrome, I think it's for some 65 plus people driving the car. As soon as you have any type of chrome bits on there, but as soon as you twist that and turn it into something black or take away the chrome, it becomes 20 years younger, the audience for that specific car. I think that's what happened here with Tesla as well. Might sound ridiculous, but that's just the fact. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this idea. Do you think Tesla should build a Model 3 wagon, or is this just a ridiculously stupid idea? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. I'm TheSketchMonkey, and if you want to learn how to sketch like this, you can check out my courses down below and order yourself a t-shirt to support the channel and get yourself something really comfy this summer. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.